Home and business owners today want easy, affordable ways to get more from their security systems. Interactive video solutions from Alarm.com can provide just that, with live streaming, recorded video, and instant video alerts. Alarm.com offers these features with an advanced line of indoor and outdoor HD cameras for both commercial and residential properties. Alarm.com's video monitoring solution is flexible and intelligent, ensuring that you never miss an important moment when you're away. When integrating video within Alarm.com's interactive security platform, you can schedule recordings every time the door opens or the alarm goes off, and then get an instant notification delivered to your mobile device. With video monitoring, you can see what's going on even if you aren't there. At work, you can see when your employees arrive, get video alerts when delivery personnel enter, or simply look in to see how business is going. At home, you can check in on the kids if you're at work or running errands and get a notification sent to you via email or text message if your child leaves unexpectedly. You can also schedule motion-triggered recordings at designated times and view simultaneous streaming action from multiple cameras at the same time. Choose from a wide variety of easy-to-install camera options designed specifically for your needs. Each Alarm.com camera includes built-in Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity, with no additional software installation required. With a full line of HD cameras for outstanding clarity, infrared capability for clear night vision, as well as wireless models for both indoor and outdoor use, Alarm.com's video monitoring solutions provide you an additional way to connect to your home or business.